friends are here. We are back at Bodie's. This brilliant man right here. And apparently he trusts us near and or in this car. 4-speed, big block, wearing the requisite equipment for it. This is gonna be fun. The fuel in these 4 vehicles is worth more than my whole car collection. just a stack of 68 Charger RTs, no big deal.
No, only one's an RT, the other one's a 383 with a 572 in it.
Oh, my mistake. One of them's a Hemi car built out of a 383. No big deal. Good God.
I just don't want you to have any inaccurate information.
Yeah, and the shop's not big enough, so he's moving. This is, just totally full up with the Hellcat and the 2 Chargers.
I can fit both my wagons, my truck, and my work truck.
It's for sale.
Moved Iowa, dude. Lots and lots and lots of people looking for electricians here.
Good God. I could eat off of this hood. Why? Why do I collect garbage?
So, if anyone wants to find me over the next week,
It's for sale?
Yeah, I actually want to sell it.
Why would you sell David Freiberger's Roadrunner?
I just, without the moving and everything.
I just bought 2. I bought another wagon, so I'm like,
I saw that, dragging that baby home.
Dude, this thing is goodness.
Drive on.
You heard it. He said it. Wow, it's been a minute.
yeah, when's the last time we drove stick?
Take a right when you get up here. And then another right at the next one.
Wow. Very direct. Holy cow. Last time I drove stick for like 5 minutes on Power Tour.
Oh.
Oh no, I drove zip tie drags, I guess technically.
Okay. Yeah.
Right at the stop sign?
Nope.
Not even gonna bother shifting then. As bad as I want to. This shifter is awesome!
The pistol grip shifter is pretty much the coolest shifter ever. Makes you feel like you're 10 times more man when it's in your hand.
Oh, little cough.
She's still cold, but she's got some pep though.
Keep going a ways. It's First Avenue that you turn left. There's my kid. And my wife.
I like this a lot, and it's residential, or other things would be happening right now. I love this car. This is close to being David Freiberger as I'll ever get. DF shirt, DF car, flip-flops, and a 4-speed.
With a pistol grip.
I feel like $1 million right now. Today's a good day. Tomorrow,
Best day at work ever, right?
best day at work ever. Tomorrow I'll be tasting probably fuel, coolant, and defeat, but today... That's the Jeep you won. That is super cool.
All the custom stuff that was done to it was done when it was close to new too.
So you said it's Corvette 283, 4-speed,
3-speed.
3-speed. Okay.
But it's got some cool, new to the era back then electric lockouts and the chrome Ramsey PPO driven winch. I mean, all the old school lights still work.
Dude.
All the fancy chrome stuff, chrome grill, chrome hinges on everything.
This is super nice and original. I love the shift ball. That's awesome.
That's definitely period, ain't it?
Oh, yeah. I had a guy make me one for the Firebird.
Yeah.
It's glittery and blue. Ooh. Dang. No, just another B body. No big deal. Let's see. This is a Plymouth. Yeah?
69.
Roadrunner?
Yep.
Wow. Like a V code or anything special?
No, 383 4-speed car.
Oh, just a 383 4-speed. My bad.
That's pretty much the most common 69 Roadrunner there was, to be honest with you.
And just a Hemi swap duster. No big deal.
No big deal.
It's just 5.7 fuel injected Hemi.
Your average duster.
I
Yeah.
had on the chassis dyno last fall and did 317 to the wheels.
Huh.
3,200 pound car.
That's not dangerous at all.
It doesn't like rainy streets,
I
that's for
wonder
sure.
why.
Yeah.
But it hooks up pretty good otherwise. It's got 355, pretty big tires in back, so it's pretty good hookup otherwise.
Yeah, we saw this the last time we were up here picking up the Gambler car engine. Oh, man.
It fits so well.
Oh, well, it's because he does clean work. This is
Yeah.
Bodensteiner Body Werks, not my shop. My shop is a 2-car garage that should have been pushed over. God.
There's no zip ties.
There's a couple.
You've thrown away parts better than what I put on my car. This is great. Wow.
Trust me, I went through my years of that same stuff before I got to this point.
I'm not growing out of it, not ever. I'm broken. The car that Mopar should have made. Oh my gosh. I forgot my mullet wig. Damn it.
I got mine on.
I just got it cut off because I looked like I own a second-gen Firebird with dead paint. Oh my gosh. I kind of want to take out the 3-wheeler as bad. This place is awesome. That is a nice kit. Who makes it?
Smith Performance is the name.
Smith Performance.
Have you ever heard of Factory 5?
Yes.
This guy used to own Factory 5.
Okay.
And this was kind of his baby, was to take and make a kit that was available for easily obtainable, cheap, older cars so that father-son, father-daughter type projects could be done again. And nobody at Factory 5 wanted to do that because there wasn't enough profit margin. So when he retired, that was his thing, and that's what he's been doing since. He doesn't own Factory 5 anymore.
That's awesome. This is
There's
Hellcat wheels and everything. Wow.
What front? What back? Okay.
Cannot believe he's turning us loose with this thing. Wheezy's taking the first swing at the Charger Mino. Is that what we're calling it?
I think the Charger Mino.
It's okay. He's the most trusting man on earth.
Yes.
Charger Bodie on Instagram, and
Break.
we got AM's. What is it? Sportabout
Sport
group?
About group. I changed it.
Cool. All right.
My goodness. Okay, I want one.
I aspire to be this cool. I love it here. Best day at work ever?
Best day at work ever.
I like it here. I like Brian a lot.
So if you want to find me, I'm probably gonna be in Iowa for like ever now.
We made a believer. I have no idea where we're going, and it doesn't matter at all. It's a 55. I'm surprised you're not all the way on the floor with this thing.
At 60.
I like this thing a lot.
I need one in my life. I'm telling you.
Where is traction control, and how do we turn it off?
We will.
You drive. I'll work on getting us into more trouble.
Yeah, she boogies. I need one of these so bad.
I love it here. I love Decorah.
Brian?
And when people ask me, why do you live in Iowa? Because gas is $2. My rent and mortgage has always been like nothing.
And there's a Ute.
And there's a Ute. There's a Charger Ute and David Freiberger's Roadrunner. We're going to hit a brewery on the way back. It's going to be a perfect day.
Yes.
Perfect 10.
It's already been a perfect day.
It's about to get better. Brian, we're sorry. Yeah! We owe him like, I don't know, steak dinner, case of beer, something. We had a conversation about this earlier.
The cars, the longer they sit, the tires just dry rot. And
Yeah.
you have to buy new ones anyway, so we're just helping make sure he gets use out of the tires before they dry rot.
Yeah. And
Because
well, you've done body work, so like if you don't sand it, like the tires get flat on one side, so you gotta kind of sand them down every now and again just to, you know.
it helps you get more traction.
Yeah, it's science.
And it's weight reduction. You have less rubber on the tires, so you can go faster, and the tire is smaller, so it spins faster, and it helps with helping get the vehicle in motion and
torque,
maintaining the motion.
Math, Chinese fire drill. Hand off. We're not going that direction.
Nope. He waved to us.
He did. Well, now I know where one of the cops is.
Yeah. Cop can still see you.
I know. Oh my God.
It's so easy to go so fast in this thing.
I can feel my license slipping away.
Watch out for the guy on the mower.
I'm all about safety. Sometimes third, but safety nonetheless.
I mean,
He's got to be on the lookout for turtles for the next couple miles, but I think he wide off that direction. It'll be fine. I'm sure it's fine. Oh my God. This thing is awesome!
it just hooks.
Oh my God! It has a posi, I believe.
Yeah.
Holy crap! That wasn't even like a quarter throttle. It just whoosh. Oh. Everyone needs their own Charger Ute.
Yes.
It's so light in the tail. Oh.
Think of all the camping possibilities you can do.
Oh yeah, camping for sure is what I would do. Doing donuts with an engine block strapped to it.
Let's go find the Charger, find the kit, and see how we can zip tie it together.
I want to make a worse version out of a worse car. That would be more fun.
Okay. So if anybody out there knows where another AMC Hornet wagon is, hit me up.
Ooh.
My Instagram is Sportabout Gruber. I'm looking for inquiries on other AMC wagons because we could possibly make a Ute out of it wagon.
That would be awesome. Brian, I'm really sorry about this. We'll see you at the impound in 2 hours, okay? Thank you so much.
Have a good day.
Likewise. He let us go?
Yeah.
Let's go straight back before I get luckier. So apparently there's not a better cop to be pulled over by.
No, Goblins is a key cop.
And it is for sale. That is absolutely true. So we need to leave town before he figures out what we're driving.
Oh yeah, dude, they said
Daughter used to live in the house right next door to me.
Yep.